guys, this video is all about shoes and my shoe reorganization because why? I'm a hoarder still, and even living in a tiny house, my shoes have managed to accumulate and they are driving me crazy. So in this video, I am going to show you how I purge and downsize and get rid of shoes that I may even love. And even though I'm already tiny, I don't have enough room for all of these, except I thought I was giving myself enough room, so I kind of overdid it with the space that I gave myself for the shoes that I brought in. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, so first things first. I planned to keep all of my shoes in those two right there. I actually thought the third step was also going to be raised storage, but that's where the cats go in. So I have shoes there, there, and there. I decided to put this one here for the pantry and this one here for like tool junk. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with the first step. I'm going to take out all my shoes. Half these shoes I can't even get to because they're all hidden at the bottom. Okay, so right away I noticed that it is filthy in here, which means that the more shoes that I keep in here, I am not going to be able to clean this as often as I want. So the goal today is to get rid of as many shoes as I can that I don't wear realistically and put them back in here so that I can clean in here regularly and wear the shoes that are in here regularly. These are the shoes that were in there. Now right away I see a few pairs of these shoes that I have not worn in the spring or summer. I see these pair right here that I'm probably never gonna wear, so I'm taking those out now. I see two pairs of those brown ones. I don't really need two, but they are really comfortable, so I'm taking one out now. I did have two of those pairs and I think I already gave one away. If not, we'll work on giving one of those away. I do wear those two. To be honest with you, I do not wear these, but they are so comfortable and they're so cute. Like, I love them, but I have never really worn them. I'm going to put them on. I actually really like these. I still like them. They're really, really comfortable. Actually, I'm gonna start a pile of maybes, and if at the end, if there's a lot of maybes, I might keep one or two of them. We'll see how many are there. Let's say we're gonna keep these two. I like these brown ones. These I wear a lot. They're comfortable. And to be honest with you, I wear these a lot and I wear these a lot. However, I don't wear these a lot, so I'm going to put these in the giveaway pile for right now. All right, we are going to start on the second drawer. Okay, so these are all the shoes that were hiding underneath these shoes. I don't even wear any of those because I didn't even know they were in there. And then if you're getting ready and you need to grab a pair of shoes really quick, you're not going to go through all those shoes. So like I said, again, the point of doing this is to get rid of all the shoes I don't wear and to utilize the storage more wisely, just to be honest. Whisper! So I just cleaned out this little cubby. It is a little bit deeper. You could see right here, it's the second stair. That is actually good for probably boots, taller shoes, because there's so much space in there that if you put all of the smaller shoes on the bottom, the top you're gonna just fill with shoes too, and you're never gonna see the shoes on the bottom. Yeah, we're about to change that around. And that was all the shoes that were in the second one. Quite a bit more, I think, than the first one, or maybe they're just bigger. If we take a look through these, you know, this pair right here I haven't seen for the longest time because they were stuffed in a corner in that stair. So actually I'm gonna keep these out because I love them. These are brand new and I never got to wear them over the summer. These are, I wear these. These I do not wear. I brought them from my mom's. I'm giving them up. To be honest with you, I do not wear this pair, but I love Skechers and I love this style Sketcher where it's got those laces like that. So I'm actually gonna keep these along with the other two that I have. So those are staying. These I wear all the time. Apparently these I wear all the time, but they're actually really big and uncomfortable. I think I'm just gonna give these up. These are brand new, so we're not gonna give those up. Whisper. These I really never wear, so I'm gonna give these up. These are uncomfortable, so I think I'm gonna give these up. And I kind of do not wear those type of flip-flops anymore, but they are gray, which would match my gray stuff, so I might just keep them. So I'm actually gonna put that in the maybe pile right now. These I do wear, so we're gonna keep those, and we're gonna keep all those. These are all still keeps. And I'm going to put all these up there with them, and so far the pile to put away is, or to give away is right there. Okay, now we're going to deal with the last stair and the shoes that are in it. And guess what? I found that other pair, so we're getting rid of one of them. And of course a quick vacuum, because it's dirty in there. When you're not using all of that stuff in there, it gets dirty. This thing. So these are the 7 more pairs that we've got from the stair below this. I don't really wear these, so we're gonna take those out. I do not really wear these, so we're gonna take these out. All right, guys, I feel like I can honestly say that I realistically went through all of my shoes and took out the ones that I didn't wear, the ones I honestly didn't wear, even though I really liked them, and I put them in the sell, donate, giveaway pile. The rest I counted was 24 pairs plus the 2 extras that I was putting aside, so I could either, we're gonna work on storage and see how this 23 pairs fit in the stairs. If they don't fit, maybe we'll keep the extra 2 out, and if maybe we'll keep them in, because like I said before, I made room for all of these shoes. However, when I was living here, I got more shoes. I just felt, hey, I have a little bit more room in this stair, so I'm gonna add more. Don't do that, don't do that. Especially if you're a hoarder and you're trying to get over it. So, all right, let's see what we can do. For an overall view of the shoes that are gonna be going in the stairs, these were all the ones that I pulled out of the stairs, and those 3 down there were just sitting out and they had no room in the stairs, as well as those boots right there. Now those boots usually stay out in the winter because I usually wear them every day, or I'll wear those boots there or those, but I usually don't wear any of these until the spring or summer. These are all the ones so far that I'm getting rid of, so I feel it will create a lot of extra room. And then these 2 are the ones that I'm keeping for spare, because if we have room, I'm keeping them. If not, then they're going in the giveaway pile. Okay, I am going to start with the top one that I cleared out, and I'm gonna come over here by the flip-flops, and what I'm gonna do is actually put the most used in the top stair, the most used flip-flops, because then I won't have to bend down or any of that kind of stuff, and the least used flip-flops can be put in the bottom 2 stairs, and in the top stair will just be easier for me to get to. All right, I'm flipping you around, and we're gonna see which one we're gonna put in the top stair. So we are going to be looking for flip-flops of these type. Let's see, which ones do I use on a regular basis? Pretty much these, definitely these. Ooh, I have another pair of these, so I'm getting rid of one of them. That's a lot of shoes that I'm getting rid of. So we're gonna bring these shoes over to the step. I'm gonna put them there for right now, and I'm gonna go back over. These are definitely a pair that I use all the time. Let's do these. Okay, so I ended up putting 2 rows of 4, so I actually fit 8 pairs of shoes in there without putting anything else on top of them. So it looks nice and clean. I see the strip of what I'd be wearing. Both are put together. They're not thrown in there, and they're, I can easily put them away. Significantly less, but we're still gonna have to do some playing around inside the staircase. All right, second drawer I dedicated to boots and gym shoes. So there are 2 sets of boots in the back, 1 right there, and 3 pairs of gym shoes in the middle, without putting anything else on top. However, I have 2 more pairs of gym shoes over here, and I think it is safe to say that I can put these 2 pair on top of all the other boots and shoes, because these will probably be used for the spring and summer, whereas the ones underneath are mostly winter. And we are done sorting my shoes. We reorganized all of my shoes in these 2 drawers, and then that top one right there. and we are getting rid of all of those shoes. Now maybe because I have some more room, I can wear those and utilize those shoes in there rather than hoarding them and keeping them underneath all the shoes that were on top. So yeah, that was a great purge for me, seeing as I got rid of a lot more than I thought I was going to. There's a lot of new shoes in there, there's a lot of good shoes in there, but I just didn't wear them and don't wear them. I did forget to mention that I do keep another pair of boots underneath my work desk, but that is because they have these plastic things in them that keep them straight. So yeah, they're just gonna have to stay under there for now. Yay! Okay, so how was that? I gave away, or am going to donate, 11 pairs of shoes. Again, I did not think this purge was going to be as easy as it was. I have been basically listening to viewers' suggestions because, you know, I was a hoarder, and when moving into this house, you know, I actually created space for some more of my hoard. But now I realize that even in this house, with the hoard being in here, I can't get to some of my stuff to even use that stuff. So I'm still learning, and it's still challenging and everything. I am just going to continue to organize, reorganize, purge, downsize, declutter, and all of that stuff in order to keep my tiny house minimalistic. Yeah, so I hope I passed on some of these tips to you guys, and whether you've gone tiny already or not, and depending on what kind of shoe space you put in your house. I just chose the stairs because it's out of sight, out of mind. You can't see them. I didn't want a shoe rack, nothing like that. So yeah, whatever you do to use to store your shoes, feel free to downsize. And yeah. Alright guys, so I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel below. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell as well, because I post a video every other Sunday. And my shoe storage number 3. So, woo! Almost fell. There are going to be some cats in this video, and some are Whisper, come on, come on, come on. This is all in preparation. Oh, and look at my toe right there. I peeled off the nail polish. All of my shoes are included.